Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 12th of April 2018. Okay guys, it was a somehow good day for trading, and I'm going to start today's discussion from Great Britain pound JPY. So as you can see that I have supplied the bullish entry from 151691, and you can see that today the big pound JPY has went up right from the entry, and it has even hit the barriers of 15244. So guys, overall I was expecting a bullish trend. You know, the price was quite low from some days, and today I was expecting a bounce on this price, and it has happened that we have seen that it breaks the entry clearly, and then it hit the targeted price. So it's a very successful signal from the side. Okay, now let's talk about USD Canadian dollar. The signal hasn't expired at the moment, but I'm just going to give this signal. It is closed at my end, but however, if you want to trade this signal, then this is still valid. If it crosses 125956, then USD Canadian dollar will be back into the bullish zone, and then you can expect the upward trend up to 127050. You can see that the level is already drawn on my chart, and today it has kept itself in a range. But however, if it breaks the entry 125956, then it will be back into the bullish zone. Okay, another satisfied trade of the day, which is the massive trade on USD JPY. I'm going to talk about USD JPY here. A bullish signal was supplied from 106923, and you can see that from some days I was giving bullish signals on USD JPY because I was expecting a boost in the price, and today it has went as per the directions that I have provided in my signals report. 106923 was the entry. The entry is already break here, and if you were trading using the trading system, then it was pretty fine because the market was just above the oversold levels, and from the oversold level the market has pointed you to buy the pair in the form of white arrow, and the market has went up, and then it touched the blue boundary, and then we have seen a drop here. But overall guys, if you have traded as per the signals report, then you should be in good profits on USD JPY. Okay, now let's talk about another satisfied signal of the day, which is Great Britain pound USD. That's a very good signal. That's 141907 was the bullish entry from my side, and you can see that right from the entry the pound USD has taken a U-turn, and then it started to go up right from the entry, and it has hit the targeted price that I have mentioned in my signals report, 142406. So overall, if you have taken the trade from here to here, then you should be in very good profits because it was a very easy signal from my side. Okay, now let's talk about the ongoing signal. This is the second signal of my signals report, and I have supplied the bullish trend in case of New Zealand USD, and I was expecting the bullish trend right from 073738. You can see this is the signals report. Okay, I'm expecting the targeted price to be up to 073987. This signal is supplied on the basis of 4-hour chart, and still you can see that on the 4-hour chart we do not have seen any drops on New Zealand USD. So right now it's in a bullish zone. So if it continues its bullish trend, then it can go up to 073987. Okay guys, moreover, those subscribers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain buy in the lower red boundary. Like here, Great Britain pound JPY has gained the upward momentum, and when it goes into the upper red boundary, then you need to sell the pair with confirmations. What the confirmation is called, a couple of bearish candles at the top, and then the market goes down. So this is how we use the trading system, and guys, this is all about today's analysis. So the market is trying to get settled, and hopefully it will be settled from Monday. Very good, it will be back into the rhythm from Monday. So hopefully guys, you people have made some profits. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading system that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please guys, like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.